ever wondered how you can earn extra income using just your phone? Today, we're diving into the world of apps that can help you make money right from home. Imagine the freedom of financial independence, where you can supplement your income with just a few taps on your screen. In this video, we'll guide you through the exciting possibilities of earning money through mobile apps. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, this tutorial is designed for you. Our goal is to educate and empower you, showing how easy it is to get started on your journey to financial freedom. We'll explore practical steps and share insights into how these apps can transform your smartphone into a source of income. So, get ready to unlock the potential of your device and start paving your way to financial success. Next up, we'll look at how to choose the right apps to embark on this rewarding path. Imagine having the power to earn money right at your fingertips. With the vast array of money-making apps available today, you can do just that. But how do you choose the right one? That's where we come in. In this segment, we'll delve into the different types of apps designed to boost your income and how you can select the best fit for your needs. First, let's explore the categories. From survey apps to freelance platforms, each offers unique opportunities tailored to various skills and interests. Understanding these distinctions is key to making an informed decision. Next, consider the criteria that matter most. Look for apps with positive user reviews, transparent payout methods, and reliable customer support. These factors will ensure a smooth and trustworthy experience as you embark on your money-making journey. Finally, let's highlight some popular choices. Apps like Swagbucks, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit have garnered attention for their user-friendly interfaces and proven track records in generating income. With these insights, you're now equipped to navigate the app world with confidence. In our next segment, we'll guide you step by step on setting up and using these apps to maximize your earnings. Stay tuned and get ready to turn your smartphone into a source of income. Now, let's dive into the practical side of things, how you can set up these apps and start earning right away. First, download the app that best suits your goals from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and register using a valid email address or social media account. Make sure to verify your account through any confirmation emails or codes sent to you. This step is crucial for accessing all features of the app. Next, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Take time to explore the dashboard and available options for earning. When it comes to earnings, consistency is key. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to using the app. Small but regular efforts can lead to significant earnings over time. Also, keep an eye out for bonuses or special offers that can boost your income. Now, let's address some common challenges you might face. If you encounter issues with account verification or payout delays, check the app's FAQ section. Many users find solutions within these resources. Finally, when you're ready to cash out your earnings, navigate to the payment section of the app. Ensure your payment information is accurate and up to date to avoid any delays. With these steps, you're well on your way to turning your smartphone into a money-making tool. Stay tuned as we tackle some common misconceptions about earning money through apps in our next segment. Many people think that earning money through apps is either a scam or simply not worth the effort. But let's take a moment to dispel these myths and explore the real potential behind this growing opportunity. For starters, some believe that app-based earnings are just too small to make a difference. However, when approached with the right mindset and strategy, these earnings can add up significantly over time. It's important to remember that every journey has its challenges, and earning through apps is no different. But with persistence and the right approach, these challenges can become stepping stones to success. As we continue this journey, keep an open mind and stay committed. Up next, we'll dive deeper into how you can maximize these app-based earnings and truly make them work for you. You've seen the steps and heard the success stories. Now it's time for you to take action and start your journey to financial success with apps. Remember, these tools are here to empower you, turning your mobile device into a gateway for earning potential. From selecting the right apps to maximizing their features, you're now equipped with all the knowledge you need. Embrace this opportunity to transform your financial future. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a more substantial income stream, the path is laid out before you. Challenges may arise, but with persistence and the right strategies, success is within reach. So why wait any longer? Start exploring these apps today and watch as your efforts translate into real-world results. And as you embark on this exciting journey, make sure to stay connected. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, updates, and success stories that will keep you motivated and informed. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take that first step with confidence and enthusiasm. The world of online income through apps is vast and full of potential, just waiting for you to dive in. Let's make it happen together.